Welcome back to Forum, the only place on the internet that gives you the tubing free guarantee. Hand check? There it is. So it'll be a quick one today. This is so many ahs and oohs and ahs. Ooh, This is one of those wood stove fans, and I can see already that my Allen wrench is not gonna work. Should have been prepared. So professional, You can stop the videos. Let's keep going. It's all about the big picture. But anyways, these little doohickeys are actually pretty expensive for what they are. They're just a couple pieces of aluminum. And this doodad, which I'm not really sure. Let me go get a screwdriver, take this apart. This is what happens when doggos try and use your screwdrivers. It happens pretty much every tool, but anyways, so doodad. Let's see here. There we go. Should be a quick video anyways. We'll see. Let it roll. That's what I say. Man, what? Really? Anywho. Well, I suppose I gotta take this crap apart anyways. I don't think so. I think I can actually go from the back. Insert music here. Do-do-do. Taking apart the thing, do-do-do. It's a thing we're taking apart, do-do-do. Yeah, that would be a thing. Invent a glove that you could just grab a screw and just rip right out, right? That would be cool. Some sort of hydraulic actuator. Okay. Alright. Well, just a little bit of messing around a little bit. So this is the thing about that creates the electricity. This heats up and sends a little charge down the line and gets your motor going and spins your fan. So I'm guessing this bit of witchcraftery here is probably made in the same factory as magnets. Because for the life of me, I can't figure out how this works either. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing today. So back to putting it back. Let's see here. Oh yeah, this is a bit of a pain. I'm gonna use some internet magic here to get this all kind of settled in. Okay, so I got those screws all started up. We're going to seat this in proper. I'm going to seat that in there properly. See if we can. Alright, that seems pretty good. That all sheeted in there properly. Not too tight, not too snug. Once again, we don't know how these things are made, so I wouldn't go squishing that too awful hard. But yeah, you can see she's in there now, all wired up. I think it's a pretty ingenious thing, whatever it may be. Thermoelectrifier, that's it. See, that's classic. Your classic thermorectifier, electrifier. That's it, electrifier. Classic. Should have seen it right off the bat. Okay. Take this little fella out. Oh. There we go. We don't need those screws. We got our own. Now, yeah. How are we looking over there? Yeah, let me, might as well, well, maybe I can zoom you out a little bit here. Some problem is Henry is sleeping right there. Henry's a big boy. There we go. There we go. Now that everybody is good and well sick, I'm gonna put this back together like there. Uh-oh. Are they the wrong screws? Wait, are they all the same? They're all the same. Oh my goodness gracious. Holy smokes. That was a bit tricksy. Oh no. Yeah, these little devils are kind of stupid expensive. And this little motor was on AliExpress. I think it cost me like $3. So, anybody who has bought these things, they know. I forget what this cost. It was the cheapest one I could find. And as you can see, it's not exactly a bee's knees, top of the line, blah, blah, blah. Hell's bells, the motor went. Only worked a year. Not even. I think it was less than that. So definitely not the top of the heap when it comes to quality. But let's see if this other motor does the trickaroo. And this has got to go like this. There we go. Perfecto. And where's my doodad? Here's my doodad. And then this. I don't know what time. Maybe okay, we'll do this side. We'll do this side. Oh, for crying out! I should magnetize this. This is all ridiculous. There we go. No big deal. Sounds like Amazon just dropped off some stuff. I'm surprised the dog. Yeah, speak of the devils. Okay, Henry, I don't need you to be the cameraman, okay? Oh, Jesus, sorry. He's trying to get his camera paws, but he's trying real hard. We don't give him too much grief, do we, buddy? Yeah, Henry doesn't get too much grief. He's a special hound, you see. Good enough. Just aluminum. Don't want to go ham bone with aluminum. Yeah. Get a little and a little bit of, and we should be all right. There we go. Little grub screw. This little devil on there. Oh, perfection. Oh, there we go. That's way easier. Pro tip: turn the witchy dinger up. Right, and that's, well. Let's see if we can. maybe just adjusting it a little bit will get it to spin a little more. Oh yeah, whatever I'm doing, it's making it far worse. So you know what? We're gonna call her Quitski right there. Dunsky. Alright, let's go try her out. Here at the old wood stove. I'm gonna have to move the old boot dryer. Now let's set this right here. Yeah, we'll do. Let's do. Oh man, this thing. A cheap wood. Cheap wood stove. Let's put it right there. See what happens. Cheap wood stove, so it's all warpified. Yeah, I'll get back to you once this thing is kicking. Might as well tackle an unrelated project while we're here, right? Where the heck did that? I'm still here. Don't worry, I'm still here. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Got it. Now that doohickey on the stove shouldn't be going by now. I mean, it takes a little bit to get going, but she'll take a few minutes here. Oh. Yeah, unrelated project. Got a dishwasher countertop model, so we had to move to paper towel dispenser. 2 for 1. Not only do you get the stove fan repair, but now a paper towel holder. There you go. Bonus. Yeah, she ain't going. So what I'm gonna do is, oh yeah, that's starting to warm up pretty good. So it should be. I'm not gonna start it. I'll let the. I'll let it go here. I mean, this is exciting. Will it move? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. It's pretty warm. Now, if this were right out of the package, I totally expect her to go, but I've never done one of these. Quick video, yeah, right. Before I do a quick video, yeah, sure. Oh, maybe just help her out a little bit, you know, just a tiny little nudge, right? That should be. I mean, that's not cheating if it goes, right? I mean, if it's just a little nudge. The suspense is killing me. How will I know? How will I know if it goes? Well, I guess I'll see it, but, you know, yeah, this is exciting. I mean, this is somewhat, not really, but we're gonna, how hot is it? Oh, she getting there. Ooh, that's warm. Okay, she getting there. It's definitely warm. Oh, man, fingers crossed. I mean, I think it should be going by now. That's... right? Maybe I should have... well, how would I test that? I mean, I guess I got the multimeter. I could have tested to see if that thing is working, but why? This is a good enough test, right? Alright, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Hold on. Let's give it a few minutes here. She hot for sure. Oh yeah, that's warm ski. Oh wait, did I go the wrong? No. I hope it's the right direction. Oh man, let's give her another little nudge there. Did that spin for longer? Did that look like it spun for longer? I don't know if it did or not. I think it did, right? Oh, man. This thing's really cooking. I mean, I'm dying here. I'm in t-shirts and a pair of sweatpants, and it is... Holy crap, is that moving? You don't know because the camera's moving, but... I don't think it moved. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll just wait a minute, right? Oh man, this stinks. I think I might have to get one of those thermal electrifiers now. Dang it, by the time I get this crap, winter will be over. Come on, thermo electrifier, let's go. Well, we're gonna end it there. This was a pretty sad episode. Sorry everybody, but have a wonderful day!